Drink this and you'll lose 8 pounds of belly fat in just 3 days. Diet is very important for losing belly fat. Belly fat. Having a flat and healthy looking belly often requires spending long hours at the gym. However, they're another important contributor to great ABS, and it's what you eat. In fact, your diet accounts for 90% of how your ABS look like. That's why you need to pay close attention to the food you eat if you want great looking belly. The recipe we provide her is extremely beneficial for giving the perfect shape to your abdominal muscles. In fact, if you consume it daily, you can entirely reshape your belly. Aside from being highly effective, this homemade fat burning drink is quite easy to prepare. Actually, it'll only take a few minutes of your time. It's also the best way to start a healthy and well-balanced diet. Directions. 1. Take a bunch of fresh parsley and blend it in a food processor. 2. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon and add it to the parsley. 3. Add half a cup of water in the mixture and blend for a few more seconds. This mixture works extremely fast and you'll be able to see the first results in only 2-3 days. The key to its effectiveness is parsley, which is packed with vitamins crucial for proper digestion. Lemons on the other hand are highly beneficial for fat burning. Aside for reshaping your belly, this mixture will also improve your metabolism. For optimal results, you should take this drink on an empty stomach for 5 days every morning. Then, you make a 10-day break and repeat the process. Other drinks you can consider. Below we provide a list of beneficial refreshing beverages you can also include into your diet to further stimulate the weight loss process. Flavored water. Slice different fruits and vegetables. Put them in a mug, then fill the mug with cold water. This will not only enhance the plain tasting water, but also enrich it with numerous vitamins your body needs. Green tea. Drinking freshly brewed cold green tea will significantly improve your digestion and reduce belly fat. You can add honey to sweeten it up. Watermelon smoothie. Watermelon is one of the best smoothie ingredients because it packs a lot of water. Combine this refreshing fruit with ice and yogurt to make the perfect smoothie. Last, but not least, remember that hard work and patience are crucial for success. Stick to a healthy diet and the parsley lemon juice and you'll get a flat belly in no time.